If you're interested in making money online from writing articles, either you can publish your articles on your own website or as a freelancer or sell them to different websites to get paid, and you want to get help from ChatGPT to assist you in writing these articles, in today's video I just provide you a complete free PDF guide that enables you to write beautiful and amazing SEO optimized article and in the style that makes your article looks like as if it's written by a human person, not ChatGPT. So you can find this guide and completely for free waiting for you in the link down below and the description box. And it could be like this one, SEO Master Prompts. Here it gives you some steps that you can follow to make your own article stunning masterpiece, beloved by Google and your audience. So here for sure is the first step here. You can get the best target keywords to make your own article. So it's better for you to actually craft a beautiful and suitable prompt with ChatGPT to get your keywords that would be included in your article. And this prompt is ready for you. Just you can replace this red text to your own, like conduct keyword research for topic or niche. Your topic, for example, if you are looking into the printing niche, coaching, anything else, and generate a list of 20. So for sure you can change it to 10, 30 and so on, relevant keywords, and focus on finding high search volume keywords that will help improve the website visibility and so on, blah 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 blah. So here, that way you can conduct and research on ChatGPT to do that and give you back your list of keywords. So for example, just to be practical in this video, I will give you this guide into different formats, text form and PDF. So for sure here you can find this text like this one. So I just copy this first prompt here, okay, in a table to get our keywords. So now we can go back to ChatGPT and now we can insert this prompt as it is, and just only you have to change these content in between brackets like this one topic. And for sure if you are interested in something like parenting or coaching, weight loss and so on, like the best principles in parenting or to raise children positively and so on, and generate a list of 20. So I can make it 10 for example to be quick and go. That's it. That way ChatGPT search web to give you back this list as you see, with search volume, with average CPC, cost per click, and competition and so on. So like positive parenting principles, effective parenting techniques, styles, gentle parenting strategies, and so on. So here you can the step number 2 comes, and now we can go to our PDF file or our guide and look for attractive titles. For sure if you want to make your readers click to view your article either on your website or medium.com or something, you've got to make it SEO optimized with your search volume and for sure attractive and appealing. So for sure I just take this one for example, okay, copy and go to ChatGPT and insert this prompt. Perfect. For sure you can get this one like your topic, so you can make it and adopt excited tone. For sure you can make it convincing, casual, funny, and for sure I just leave in your PDF at the end of it the list of the voice tones as you want. So we can make it excited for now. Make sure to incorporate this keywords. For sure you can get some keywords from the previous step, like you can select the positive parenting principles for sure, copy and insert here, okay, Control V, and just play in the plug effective parenting techniques like this one and so on. Okay, perfect. And throw the titles Perfect. And the target audience here, just you can make it for the parents. Okay, and go. And here it gives you amazing titles here with these keywords to make it SEO optimized and attractive in the same time. Like this one, 10 positive parenting principles that will totally transform your home life, tired of tantrums and so on and the like. Perfect. And now just you can head over to the third step to make your own article. So here in this PDF, that's the outline of your article, like the structure, headings, subheadings, and so on, to be also SEO optimized and comprehensive. So we can get the third one, okay, like this one. Copy and go to ChatGPT again, and just insert your inbox in between brackets, like please provide. For sure you can make one quickly, okay. If you want to make a variety or various outlines to choose from them, it's better for you. And then set your topic again, like the parenting techniques and the excited tone as you want. And each outline should have 5 sections, headlines, okay. And insert here your title, and insert here your title. So here I just parenting techniques. Title here I just take anyone like from chaos to calm, okay. Copy, insert here, and this one, 5 section. And here if insert these keywords from the previous one, go there. Perfect. And go. And just in a few seconds here you can find a stunning outline of your own article. Perfect. The first heading, the power of positive parenting principles, gentle doesn't, mindful discipline strategies, and so on and so forth. So for sure all these headings are SEO as well. And then you can come to the last step here, just you can gather all these puzzle pieces to make your own article. And for sure here it gives you this amazing one, the full article as you see. Just insert your outline from the previous step. You can just decide how many words in each paragraph, like 500, 400, and so on. Excited tones, some key words, and so on. And here the last of that, just add your call to action if you want to promote something related like a food product, digital product, or to get traffic to your own YouTube channel and so forth. That way ChatGPT crafts for you an amazing and mind-blowing article beloved by Google and your target audience. And here just we can head over to the next stage, just you can make your own article in your style or in a style you love so much. You make it human touch, not AI. And here I just give you a hint of an amazing trick from ChatGPT. If you refer to ChatGPT, for example, and go to the settings, okay, and go to personalization, go to this one, custom instructions, and here you can head over to this one, what traits should ChatGPT have. In this box you can insert some instructions to make your own article or your result from ChatGPT to follow something you want. Like here, when I want from an article by anyway, use the same tone and the style found in this upcoming text. And here you can paste some text and some paragraph sentences that you can pick from different articles from your popular writers or beloved ones, or your own if you have an example of that. Or you can get some sentence of a script of YouTube video from a public figure or on a speech, a podcast, and so on. And ChatGPT magically get the same tone and voice style and insert this one and apply this tone in your own article that you are gonna generate from ChatGPT. And that way you can make your own article by this guide, this free guide, SEO optimized, and hands down your own article would be a masterpiece in your style you love. It would be like human written, not chat gpt at all. So all you have to do is just to head over to the link down below in the description box and the first comment and grab your copy completely for free. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.